In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chart data from TradingView like a pro. This is an incredibly useful feature if you're wanting to take your data analysis to the next level by importing it into spreadsheet software for further examination. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the chart you wish to export on TradingView. Open the desired chart on your screen. Now pay attention to the upper toolbar of your chart view. This is where you will find the key to exporting your data, a drop-down arrow. It might seem a bit hidden at first, but once you know where to look, it'll be a breeze to find each time. Click this drop-down arrow, and a menu of options will appear for you. From this menu, you'll want to select Export Chart Data. Be sure to click exactly that option. It's important to distinguish this from other options that might seem similar at a glance. This step ensures that you're able to proceed with the download of your chart's data. Once you've clicked on Export Chart Data, you'll see a pop-up appear on your screen. If you have multiple charts open or available, take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct one that you want to export. After selecting the right chart, proceed by clicking Export in the pop-up. At this point, a CSV file will be downloaded to your computer. This file is where all the action's at. It includes both the symbol data and any indicators present on your chart at the moment of export. Now, it's important to note a few key details about this feature to ensure the process goes smoothly for you. Firstly, this export function is only available if you're using a paid TradingView plan. That means you'll need to have a PRO Plus or Premium membership to access it. Additionally, the CSV file will include only the symbol data and indicators. It will not export any drawings such as arrows or horizontal lines you might have added manually, so if you've been relying heavily on those drawings, just keep that in mind. Also, there are data limits depending on your specific plan. The amount of historical intraday data you can export varies with each plan. You'll want to check TradingView's pricing page for detailed information on how much data you're allowed to export. If you're hoping to automate this process, consider utilizing open-source Python libraries, such as TV Datafeed, which can streamline your workflow significantly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to exporting your TradingView chart data. By following these steps, you'll have your data ready for further analysis in no time. Thanks for watching, and